quick update on our previous analysis. I'm talking about gold trade and of course Audcad. Now remember yesterday when we were doing this analysis, these are the things that guided us as we made this analysis. So let's just take it back to the 15 minutes and let's see how the market was executed. Right, remember yesterday we were just looking for continuation pattern, and of course we had this level right there marked, if you guys remember. Don't worry, I'm just going to leave that video link in the description for you guys to refer. Right now, if you look at this clearly, guys, the market gave us a good clear reversal structure. Left shoulder right there, this is the head, and of course we've seen price has given us a right shoulder right there. Remember I said once you see price giving us a continuation pattern, the only thing that we should be looking out for strictly is just head and shoulder or inverse head and shoulder. And of course right here the market gave us that head and shoulder. I'm talking about inverse head and shoulder. And now for now we've seen that the market has gone to our favor around 33 pips, right? So real quick, let me just take back to the H4. Now remember our anticipated target basically is this trend line right here, the resistance. I'm talking about this level, which is a good amount of pips. So no worry, even if you miss this entry, the market will still give you another second opportunity, right? And of course remember we also had another trend line right here. I've just removed that. So once you see price taking out this high, we anticipate another correction right here. Make sure we get a clear continuation pattern, then look for our second entry position. Right, I'm talking about, let's just have this right there. Market breaks, comes back, we're looking for continuation pattern, and remember once again, no reversal, no entry. That's the policy, guys. No reversal, no entry. Even if price gives you those amazing prints, no reversal, no entry right there. Correct. Now let's check on our gold trade right there. Now so based on our analysis too, remember we were still anticipating gold to hit this trend line right there. Gold to hit this trend line right here, then give us maybe a reversal, then we look for buy entry position, but then nothing has happened. Gold has been slow, so I'll remove this. Right, so all we need to do is look for clean and clear continuation pattern. Right, so let's see, let's just look for new continuation pattern based on what the market has been printing for the past 24 hours. Right now, if you look at this market clearly, gold is trying to give us something, inverse head and shoulder. I wonder why. Now that's a question that you should be asking yourself, right? Because I've said, if you look at this level, the previous continuation pattern right here, we never had something like head and shoulder, right? Of course that's a head and shoulder, not inverse head and shoulder. Let me just flip the screen back. Right, this is a head and shoulder. Gold is trying to give us head and shoulder. Let's just cut the head. So you see, it kind of makes sense, right? And of course remember when we mark this level as a sensitive zone or a key level right there, so that's our neckline, right? So there's that possibility that now if gold in any case tries to take out this neckline, then we still need to anticipate a retest, and then maybe gold going back to hit this level right there. But basically we understand that gold has been on an uptrend, but remember we're just reacting to what the market is doing, because whatever comes on, whatever goes up definitely must come down. Right, and of course remember we are still in our election week. Right, so if gold decides to do this kind of behavior, then the next thing that we should be looking out for is another continuation pattern. But then guess what, this time we're looking for bearish pattern, something like this. Right, so let me just explain that. Just in case gold does this breaks, so the next thing, like I say, should be a continuation pattern in form of a bearish pattern right there. And like I said before, guys, no reversal, no entry. Once we get a confirmation, we go in for sales. I hope that makes sense. But then if this does not happen, we should look for this thing, right? Let me just draw. Gold hits this support level, of course, goes up. Look for another continuation pattern right there. Then we go in for buys, because right now what we see, like I said before, is just gold is trying to give us a head and shoulder. I don't know why, but sometimes we might just try to ignore this and say, okay, that might just be a trap, and concentrate mainly on this is a bullish flag, right? So for a confirmation that this is a bullish flag, like I said before, let gold hit this level, goes up. Now once we see gold hitting this resistance level, anticipate a continuation pattern. Without a continuation pattern, we're not looking for buys, right? Bullish flag or nothing. And yes, if we identify that bullish flag, make sure there is a reversal structure, right? So let's just have this right here. So we just need to evolve with the current market price. Let's just have it there, then clone this. Let's have this. Amazing, right there. So that is what we anticipate, or that is what we see. So if I hit the H1, let's see if we can adjust our drawings properly, and of course let's flip our joint. You understand? What do we see? Boom, something like a triple. But then remember, I've said previously, I've said if I see the market giving me a double top or a double bottom of a continuation pattern, I'm not going to take that entry. I'm not going to fall for that, right? Because like I said before, correction phase or bullish flag, bearish flag, I'm just looking for head and shoulders, period. 15. Let's go. Now what do we see of the 15? This is a continuation pattern right here. Let's clone it. This is a continuation pattern right there. So let's just flip it back right there. What do you see? Oh, this is a signal, guys. Left shoulder right here, head, right shoulder. So the next or the last highest low was this zone right there. Look for your bearish property, whether you want to go in for buys or sells, whichever. But then for now, it's just a matter of you looking for sales. That is what I'm seeing, not you, me, maybe. But that's a short term. Let me see. Yeah, that's 200 pips, which is still not bad. And at the same time, I see there's a key level right here. Let's mark this right here. Correct. So let me just have an alert. Let's just have an alert. And then one thing, if I see gold interfering with this setup, I'm not interested anymore until, basically, remember I've said I should be looking for, gold to give me a buy position. But then for now, I'm still bearish unless I see gold, interfere in the structure. So maybe looking for shorts, maybe until this level right there. Let's see how many pips. 130. 1 to 1. It's not bad. Okay, that's 1 to 1, man. I don't like that, so maybe I'll just ignore that. But let's see. Probably she might drop. Then yeah, that makes sense. Oh, because we have our flip zone right here, so let's just try to extend this flip zone. Let's just have it there. What if gold does this, drops, hit that flip zone? That's when she goes up. Then we should be looking for our bullish property right there, then go in for buy. So what if maybe a small scalp, but should be risky, taking a sell on this joint, maybe as a scalp, then hitting this level. Yeah, that is what I'm seeing basically. But gold is crazy though. Anyway, I think it's still a good one. Before we look for buys, we should see maybe if we can capitalize on this drop, right? Because yesterday the market has just been, from yesterday the market has just been consolidating, you understand? So anyway, fingers crossed, if I get a confirmation, I'm going to take that sale, although I should be looking for buys. Anyway, let's see. So check out my Telegram link in the description box below, and of course I'm going to leave the link of the previous analysis for you guys to understand more. Until next time, amigos, peace.